This attractive and well-planned campus that is certainly one of the shining stars of the city of Chesapeake.
The Student Center we just built rivals those of four-year colleges.
I have no doubt that TCC Student Centers will become the heart of their respective campuses.
The dedication of the Chesapeake Campus Student Center, the newest of the 4 TCC Student Centers to open its doors.
You have created another beautiful, well-engineered, meaningful, and significant facility.
No longer will students utilize the car as a student center between classes.
At more than 58,000 square feet over 2 connected buildings, Chesapeake Campus Student Center is a unique structure specifically created to complement the overall campus design.
I'm truly excited to be given the opportunity to oversee such an attractive and flexible facility.
A place where we can deliberately foster acculturation to college, student engagement, and leadership development.
The Chesapeake Student Center features 2 dining choices with indoor and outdoor seating. Building A also has extensive commons and lounges and a large dividable multi-purpose space. On the 2nd floor, students can relax in the TV lounge and the electronic gaming area or work out in the fitness center. The 3rd floor features a beautiful outdoor patio.
Everybody on the Community College Board is proud to have been part of this process.
A place where students could get away from the stresses of our academic pursuit.
All these features add up to a facility that brings another dimension to the student experience at the Chesapeake campus.